Alright, so I've got a video already on how to create a Jeopardy slide with PowerPoint, but I figured since we're using the Chromebook so often that I'd show you in Google presentation. So what I have here is a Jeopardy template that we'll use for our review game, and here you see slide 2 is the kind of the Jeopardy game board. This game board is why it's so important that you make sure that you have a link to the second slide in your own presentation, so that when I go and insert your slide into mine, it always comes back to this game board when we click on that. And I'll show you how to do that. Make sure you have that link in there in a second. So let's go and insert a new slide. Now Jeopardy of course works by giving an answer, and the person has to respond with a question. So I'll start with something that we've done so far. I will say have an answer as a solution, and with it I'm going to put a point value, let's say of 20 points. So remember, point values, the easier the question is, it'll be worth 10 points. As you get into medium and a moderate difficulty, 20 or 30 points. Difficult questions will be 40 or 50 points. So solution, and in this box I can click to add text, which will be what I expect the person to ask given that answer. So a solution. So this person might say, or give an example, what is sugar water? And I'll rotate that around. There we go. So we have what is sugar water. I want to cover up my answer with a image. So I'll go over to insert and hit insert, and in Google presentation when I hit image I'll get this drive up, so I can, or this page up, sorry. So I can upload an image, I can take one with my webcam, I can insert just a link, I can also, whoopsies, take some from my drive, or I can just search the web. So I'll do that, and I'll look up, say, water, because the solution of course is indistinguishable. I'll wait for that to show up. Format my image so it's a proper size. There we go. So solution, and that's going to cover my answer. Now when I get an answer, I just want to be able to tap the smartboard and have this go away. So what I can do is click on this, and just like you can do in PowerPoint, you can go and animate it. So you'll select your image, hit view, and go to animations. You get this animation pane up. Now I'll add an animation. I want it to fade out. So I'll hit fade out. I'll do it on the click. The play doesn't show you much, but I'll show you in the presentation. So let's see, let's just double check, make sure that worked. So I can go into view, present. Here I've got that slide that I created. If I click once, my image gone is left, and I have what is sugar water. So I can exit my full screen, and all that works. Now the last thing that I need to do is make a link to slide 2 here. So I'm going to insert an object that I can attach that link to. So I'll go with another image. Whoops, I was already on search, and we'll just search the web again. And I'm going to search link from Zelda, and because I'm old school, we'll go with the Nintendo 64. Here's one that I've used. So if anybody's into gaming, hopefully somebody's familiar with Zelda. Otherwise, I'm just sitting here having a good chuckle. So I can put that in as well. And now with this, just like I inserted an or put an animation into this, I can insert a link. So there you see, so I've got my link selected, my picture there that I want to use as a link, and I'll click on the link, and it says paste link or search. Whoops. Sorry, I gotta redo that. Insert link. And now you see it says it's got a selection of slides in this presentation. I'm going to click on that, and I can scroll down, and there you see slide 2. So I can select slide 2, hit apply. Now if I go into my presentation again, so from this question slide that I just made, I'll click once, my image disappears, my relevant image disappears, and I have the answer, or the question to the answer. And now I can go down in the corner, click on my link, and there I am back at the game board. Oh, there we go. Sorry. A little bit unnecessarily in, but that's how you're going to set up your Jeopardy slide in a Google presentation.